In a cinematic landscape where adaptations of beloved authors often ignite fervent anticipation, In the Lost Lands, derived from a short story by George R.R. Martin, emerges as a perplexing misstep that leaves audiences yearning for the author's signature depth and intrigue. The narrative embarks on a journey with Grey Alice, portrayed by Milla Jovovich, a sorceress of enigmatic repute, and Boyce, a stoic bounty hunter brought to life by Bautista. Tasked with procuring the abilities of a shapeshifter for their realm's young queen, their expedition through the desolate expanse, known as the Lost Lands, is fraught with peril, including relentless pursuit by Ash, a fervent soldier leading a fanatical religious sect. Despite the potential for a riveting saga, the film falters in weaving a compelling tapestry that resonates with viewers. One of the film's glaring shortcomings is its underdeveloped screenplay, which struggles to infuse vitality into the sprawling desert vistas that serve as its backdrop. The decision to obscure Boyce's tragic past until a contrived third-act revelation undermines character development, rendering his journey less impactful. Concurrently, Grey Alice is relegated to the confines of a one-dimensional romantic interest, a disservice to Jovovich's talents and the character's potential complexity. The palpable absence of chemistry between Jovovich and Bautista further exacerbates this narrative deficiency, with Bautista's tendency to overact clashing with the film's intended tone. Visually, director Paul W.S. Anderson, known for his flair in crafting immersive environments, delivers a world that, while expansive, feels curiously hollow. Collaborating with cinematographer Glenn McPherson, Anderson constructs scenes that, on the surface, exhibit aesthetic appeal. However, the reliance on subpar special effects during action sequences, manifesting as conspicuous pixelated skirmishes and explosions, detracts from the overall experience. The frenetic editing, ostensibly employed to mask these visual inadequacies, results in disjointed action that confounds rather than captivates. Despite the film's shortcomings, certain critiques acknowledge Anderson's adeptness in visual storytelling. Polygon notes that while the film faces critical rejection, it showcases the potential of genre cinema when approached with technical proficiency and respect. Similarly, Vulture highlights the film's storybook quality, likening its scenes to pages from a dark, twisted fairy tale, and commends Anderson's meticulous world building and inventive action sequences. These perspectives suggest that, despite its narrative flaws, In the Lost Lands possesses elements that may appeal to aficionados of stylized genre films. In summation, In the Lost Lands aspires to transport audiences into a dystopian realm imbued with magic and adventure, but ultimately stumbles in execution. The film's lackluster script, coupled with unconvincing performances and substandard visual effects, culminates in an experience that falls short of its ambitious premise. While the allure of a George R.R. Martin adaptation may draw interest, viewers may find themselves lost in a narrative wilderness that fails to deliver on its promises. For more insights into the latest cinematic releases and in-depth analyses, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support enables us to continue providing comprehensive reviews and entertainment news.